Insight and so. Studies, attention, studies, attention. All of you be ready for school, sir.
Why don't you produce louder sound instead? Huh? Tomorrow this music will not be played from tomorrow. You produce louder sound and sing, hey?
Hands cover up, and side, hands up, clap. And side, hands down. Studies, attention. Studies, attention. Now I would like to call respected speaker to deliver a speech.
Good
morning to all respected principals or vice principals or teachers, brothers, sisters and my dear friends. As you all know, it's me Susan from grade 7 to say about my memorable day. Life is full of memory. Some memories are good, some memories are bad. Bad memories can only be remembered for a short time, but good memories can be remembered in our lifetime. My memorable day was on 2078 Boisak 10. It was first time to visit Karinchok. I woke up at 5:30 in morning and take a bath, and I wore all my clothes and I was
Grab
ready
your
to
pens and
go.
stick.
We booked our cab and we were ready to go. And we reached the destination and we visit all the place. It was all about my memorable day. Thank you, everybody.
Principal sir, vice principal sir, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friend. As you all know, it's me, Tejas Kumar Babu, from grade 8, standing in front of you to deliver a sweet speech on the topic of the selfless merchant. Now my story goes like this. In a bustling city by the sea, there lived a wealthy merchant named Ali. Despite his riches, Ali was known for his kind
Get
heart
your pens
and
inside.
generosity towards the less fortune. He would often donate clothes and food to needy, earning him the admiration of the town folk. One day, a devastating storm struck the city, causing widespread destruction and leaving many families homeless and dis- destitute. Ali was deeply moved by the delight of his fellow citizens and decided to take actions. He opened his warehouse and offered shelter, food, and supplies to those who had lost everything in the storm. Ali even went door to door personally, ensuring that everyone had enough to eat and a roof over their head. As the day turned into weeks, Ali's self, selfless act of kindness inspired others in the city to come together and help rebuild their community. Soon the city was thriving once again, and and the bonds of unity and compassion among its residents grew stronger than ever. Years passed, and the memory of Ali's generosity continued to live on in the hearts of people. When asked about his deeds, Ali would simply smile and say, "We all are the part of the same community, and it's our duty to help one another in times of need." The moral of the story is that true wealth lies not in material possession but in the richness of one's characters and the willingness to help others selflessly. Ali's actions remind us that by that lending a helping hand to those who in need, we can create a better and more compassionate world for everyone. Thank you. Have a nice day.
आदरणीय सभाप्रधानज्यू उपप्रधानज्यू गुरुवर्ग तथा मेरा प्यारा विद्यार्थी साथी भाइहरूलाई मेरो हार्दिक नमस्कार। म कक्षा 9 को छात्रा सैन्य बुम्रेल आज यहाँ कथा भन्न उपस्थित भएकी छु। अब म हजुरहरूको समय खेर नफाली मेरो कथा सुरु गर्न चाहन्छु। सुनको अण्डा। एक किसानसँग एउटा हाँस थियो जसले दिनमा एउटा सुनको अण्डा दिन्थ्यो। उसले सुनको अण्डा बेच्ने गर्थ्यो र उसले र उसको पत्नीले आरामदायी जीवन बिताउँथे। तर किसान लोभी भयो र दिनमा एकभन्दा बढी अण्डा चाहन्थ्यो। उसको पत्नी मूर्खतापूर्वक उसको विचारमा सहमत भइन्। अर्को दिन हाँसले सुनको अण्डा दिएपछि किसानले हाँसलाई काट्यो। उसले रगत र हिम्मत मात्र फेला पार्न सक्यो। उसले आफ्नो गल्ती बुझ्यो। अब उसँग आम्दानीको कुनै पनि स्रोत थिएन र दम्पति दिन प्रतिदिन गरिब हुँदै गए। यस कथाले हामीलाई कुनै पनि काम गर्नुभन्दा अघि सोच्नुपर्छ भन्ने शिक्षा दिन्छ। धन्यवाद। हजुरहरूको दिन शुभ होस्।
Let's go, bro. Inside.
hands up, hands side, hands down. Steady, attention, steady, attention. Now I would like to follow the speechless artificial.
Thank you, Susmita. Stand at it. Attention. Cover up. And side. Hands up. And side. Hands down. Stand at it. So children, actually why have we organized this program? To build the confidence upon you. To remove your nervousness. We have asked you to manage or bring some memorable events, but you are not bringing any memorable events. Minor thing you are doing. How it became memorable, just you make that much interesting. I got up, I went, I saw this finish. What was the main event that is more inspirable for others as well? And practice 4-5 times before coming here. Today's storytellers, memory sharer brought here something. It was very difficult for them to read also. That means they are very weak in reading as well. There are 4 areas of learning, 4. Listening, speaking, reading and writing. You have to be smart in all. You are getting chance to express yourself means, why not to practice 4-5 times? This is not the place to practice. This is the place to give your best. Then you are regarded as a smart student. So from tomorrow onwards, you are not allowed to look at the paper and speak. Practice many times. Come here and give your speech at your best. So you have got rehearsal routine. During that rehearsal only you are allowed to go. In other time, full-fledged teaching learning activities. And when you go in the hall for practice, for rehearsal, do your best. And as soon as the bell rings, please keep that place vacant for next class. And don't ask thrice for practice. 1 period is separated for each class. That is enough. Focus on studies as well. Many children, their handwriting is not so much good. And again, the lazy bones has increased. They are not being able to complete the homework at home. Why? Homework is given to complete at home. Manage time and complete yourself. Don't copy from others. That does not help your knowledge. That makes you parasite. And those people, they cannot do anything. Sumit Khanka, what happened to you? Why are you talking? If you have got any special talk, please come here. Attention. Cover up. And side. Hands up. Now clap together. Hands side. Hands down. Stand at it. So I would like to request all the students to be punctual for their activities. Class 8 especially, be prepared. Next week you have got your exam. Basic level examination. So each subject teacher, they might have given you some project works that carries 36 marks. Don't forget to submit on time. If not submitted, then no mark will be given. Because we want smart students, not the lazy ones. Attention. Cover up. And side. Hands up. And side. Hands down. Stand at it. Attention. Now be ready for math.
By USB drive.
The ones who get this group are doing effectively. Lift your leg up and hang it down. Together. Okay, Sana, let's go. Move forward.
Go like this, don't move like this. Straight. Moving this way and walk slowly. Yes. Namaskar, namaskar, you can do.